Thinking about moving to the UK? Here is everything you need to know to make it smooth and stress-free. Hi, I'm Laura Lee from movefromus2uk.com, where we help people move internationally with ease. Let's dive right in. Well, you've made it. Your boxes have arrived. The movers have unloaded the last crate, and you're standing in your new UK home, probably a little exhausted, a little exhilarated, and wondering what happens next. This is more than just the physical end of your move. It's the beginning of building a life in a new country. And like most beginning, it starts with the basics. Before you explore your neighborhood, start that first Sunday roast, or even relax with your favorite streaming show, you need to set up the essentials that make a house truly livable. Electricity, gas, water, council tax. For American expats, this part of the relocation often comes as a surprise. Utilities in the UK are structured differently than in the United States. They're more decentralized, more competitive, and occasionally more hands-on. But don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step so you feel informed, confident, and in control. First, Council Tax 101, what it is, why it matters, and how to register. So what is council tax? Council tax is the local property tax paid to your local UK council. It's similar to the municipality or the county office. It funds essential services like rubbish collection, public safety, libraries, street lighting, and emergency responders. This infrastructure keeps your new community running. So who has to pay it? In almost every case, if you're renting or owning a home in the UK, even temporarily, you are responsible for registering and paying council tax. The only exception are very specific, like full-time students or certain low-income households. So how do you register? As soon as you move in, you need to visit your local council website. A quick Google search of your council tax registry will get you there. You'll have to provide your full name, your new UK address, your move-in date, and the number of adults in your household. Did you know if you're the only adult living in a home, you may be eligible for a 25% discount on your council tax bill? Some councils allow direct debit setups online, while others may require a short phone call. Either way, registering early helps you avoid missed notices, late fees, or service delays. Next, let's talk electricity and gas. Understanding the UK's open utility market. Unlike the US, where utility providers are often regionally assessed and fixed, the UK runs on an open market model. This means you inherit your current provider from the previous tenant or homeowner, but you are free to switch providers and find a better deal. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting set up. 1. Take photos of your meters immediately. Note the reading of both electricity and gas meters as soon as you arrive. This protects you from being charged for any energy used before your arrival. 2. Find out who your current provider is. Ask your landlord or estate agent for the name of the existing provider, or check any letters left behind. If you're still unsure, you can contact the UK Energy Regulator to track it down. 3rd, contact the provider and set up an account. You'll need to supply your name, address, move-in date, and meter readings. Once your account is live, you can compare prices and switch it to a new provider if desired. Here are some of the popular providers in the UK: British Gas, Octopus Energy, EDF, E.ON, OVO Energy. When you switch providers, use switch.com to compare rates and customer reviews. Switching takes about 14 days and does not disrupt your services. Your meter stays the same, only the billing changes. And here's an SDC tip. Don't let choosing a provider overwhelm you. The key is to activate your current supplier first, then shop for a better rate once things have settled. Next, let's talk water services. Who provides it and what you need to know. Water in the UK works differently than gas and electricity. It's not part of the open market. Each region has a designed water company, and you cannot switch. Step 1. Identify your provider. To find your regional water supplier, visit the OFWatt consumer website. Just input your postcode. Step 2. Register your account. Visit the water company's website and register your household. You're going to need your move-in date, address details, and how many people live in the house. And here's how the water billing works. For metered homes, you pay based on the actual water usage, just like electricity. But for unmetered homes, you pay a fixed amount annually based on your property size and value. And here's a helpful hint. If your property is metered and you're a small household, this often works in your favor. Larger families might prefer unmetered billing. Handling council tax and utilities might not be the most glamorous part of your international relocation, but they are one of the most important. These fundamental steps pave the way for everything else: your budgeting, your daily comfort, and your ability to truly live your life in the UK. And you don't have to do it alone. Do you need help registering utilities or choosing the right provider? Your dedicated relocation specialist at SDC International Shipping is just a call or message away. From lights and water to council tax to broadband, we help guide every detail, because moving your life across the ocean deserves nothing less than full support. Are you ready to move forward? Get your free quote and let SDC help you start strong in your new UK home. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more moving tips, and visit movefromusa to UK.com for a free consultation.